How to change your Snapchat username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bitmoji from the Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can actually change your username on the Snapchat app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, you simply have to make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application first. Once you've updated Snapchat, in order to change our username, what we will do is we're going to simply go over and then open up the Snapchat app on our smartphone. Once you open the Snapchat app, you can see by default this is how the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is, if you look closely on the very top left hand side, you can see this little Bitmoji profile. You have to simply tap on the Bitmoji profile in order to come to this page, and what you have to do is on the top right hand corner you can see that gear icon. Go ahead and simply select the gear icon. Once you tap on the gear icon, you'll be able to see a list of various options. And if you want to change the username, at the very top by the second option you have this little label which says username. In order to change it, we're going to tap on it once, and basically you could go ahead and enter the new username that you want to change to. But you also have to keep in mind that you can only change your Snapchat username once a year. So let's say you created an account yesterday and now you want to change your username today. You have to understand, after you change it today, you will not be able to change it for the next 365 days. So Snapchat by default has a limitation on that, and there's no way that you could actually change it. So be very careful on it, because Snapchat, they just want to avoid spammy accounts on their account. So that is why they're doing this in the first place. So make sure that you actually enter your username very carefully. Once you type in the new username, all you have to do is tap on this button which says change username, and as soon as you've done that, your Snapchat username is going to get successfully changed. And hopefully this video was really helpful to you. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.